Hello, if you're looking to pick up Kachin language, it is just the right podcast for you. This podcast is for Kachin away from our homeland, for friends from different parts of Myanmar, and for global friends. Just for your information, the language here is in fact Jinghpaw, one of the Kachin languages. In this episode, we're going to talk about weather. It's sunny. Jan mai ai. Jan mai ai. Jan mai ai. And I believe it is good to know the meanings of individual words. So here we go. Jan, sun. Mai means good or fine in a positive way. Mai. I is the word we use at the end of a sentence. Jan mai ai, it's sunny, but you say it in a positive way. You like the way the sun shines. And Jan mai ai, so the sun's out there, it's good and you love it. There is another way to say sunny, but in a sense that there is too much sun and it's more like scorching. The sun's a bit strong and you might need a cover when you go outside. In that case, we can say Jan ja ai, Jan ja ai, Jan sun. Ja means strong or hard. I, as we know, it's the word we use at the end of a sentence. So it's sunny, more like scorching, very strong. The sun's very strong and it's a bit hot. We can say Jan ja ai. It's cloudy. Lemu mung ai. Lemu mung ai. Lemu sky. Lemu mung means cloudy in a sense that the sky is not very clear. It's raining. Marang tu ai. Marang tu ai. Marang means rain. Marang. Tu means fall, the action verb fall. But here, one thing is tu. The verb to only collocates with rain. Rain falls, then we can say marang tu ai. It's snowy. Ken krat ai. Ken krat ai. Ken means snow. Krat. Krat is actually a action verb fall. For the word krat, you can use with any other noun. Alright, let's review the weather phrases we have learned today. It's sunny. Jan mai ai. Jan mai ai. Jan mai ai. It's sunny, but the sun is a bit too strong. Jan ja ai. Jan ja ai. Jan ja ai. It's cloudy. Lemu mung ai. Lemu mung ai. Lemu mung ai. It's raining. Marang tu ai. Marang tu ai. Marang tu ai. It's snowy. Ken krat ai. Ken krat ai. Ken krat ai. How's the weather today?